Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notification reminders on Facebook. If you're tired of constant reminders popping up, follow along to take control of your notifications. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, under the Notifications section, find and tap on Reminders. This is where Facebook stores all settings related to reminder notifications. Once you're in the Reminders settings, you'll see a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle it off. When prompted, confirm your choice to ensure that reminder notifications are completely disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notification reminders on Facebook. From now on, you can enjoy a more peaceful experience without those constant interruptions. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it.